All right. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We're here on the show floor of the SCA Expo here in Houston, Texas. If you watched this channel normally, you would have already seen the live stream that we did here before the show floor opened today. And now we're here on the floor having a look. So we're going to walk around and see what we can see, maybe taste some coffees, although I have had a couple of coffees already. Now, last year when we were here, I came across this guy, Young Rho, who was selling these cold brew towers. I ended up buying some. As I was walking around earlier today, I noticed that he's got some new stuff. So let's go visit him and see what he's got over here. What's going on, Young?
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
All right, I've come to see what you got.
I started roasting business.
Oh, I thought you built a roaster.
I inventor, right? I invent
Yes.
a roasting machine.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Inventing machine, but
Do you have that here?
no.
Oh,
That
okay.
is kind of a secret. So right now I'm not open to roasting machine.
Okay.
Only I roast and then try to sell to the people. Try to sell the coffee only, not the roasting machine.
So what do you have this year?
We have a very heavy duty extractor.
Okay.
You can make up to 15 times concentrated coffee with this one.
Oh, wow.
If you want a near concentrated coffee, you can recycle coffee again, brew again 2-3 times.
So is it working on vacuum pressure? Is
yes,
that why it's built
there's
this
a
way?
vacuum pump attached to here, and then you can before brew you vacuum it. All the ingredients in the coffee is coming out,
Okay.
and then processing through the filter system. That one is good enough for some coffee shop. They want a very strong coffee, then they pump back to the upper tank again and then brew again.
So you're putting the coffee
Coffee in the
in here.
Yeah.
And how much coffee can it hold?
I didn't measure it, but up to 6 of those big size
Okay.
so Folgers coffee.
Of those.
Not those big size.
Okay.
I only buy like this coffee.
Oh.
6 of them, big size.
So 6 of these.
No, 6. The big size.
Oh, the bigger one. Ah, okay.
You can pump it. You can re-pump from bottom to top, so then you can have very concentrated coffee. Like, but if you want to do bottling, you want to concentrate coffee.
Oh, okay. And how long? 6 hours?
You should finish everything in 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay.
If you take longer, it tastes bitter, and
Gotcha.
then after it tasty.
And then how difficult is it to clean?
Very simple. Just remove this upper tank.
Okay.
Remove the coffee.
And is this made here?
No.
Oh, in China or something?
This one is a larger size, same principle, because the other one is for 6 in one location.
Okay.
But this one and the small one, for coffee shop they want light one.
Oh, right.
Because the ladies work in the coffee shop,
Right.
but they cannot lift a heavy thing. So this is a perfect facility. You can put the coffee, and then same thing. This one is the bigger size. You can now make a concentrated cold brew in our tasty coffee. Price is very low compared to the other method.
So how much are these then?
2,500,
Okay.
3,200, 3,500.
Wait. So you're saying 25,
This is 32.
32,
Yeah, those are the lightweight.
and that's 35?
That is heavy duty. For near commercial bottling people, they can use a very high vacuum.
That doesn't seem like to go to the bigger one. It's not very much more. It's very, very reasonably priced. 1.2 millimeter?
This is 5 millimeter.
Yeah. So for $300 more, you're getting a lot more of a brewer.
You can use the very concentrated coffee with a very high vacuum system. This is not going to be shrinking.
Yes.
But if you use that one with a high vacuum, it can be shrinking.
What is considered high vacuum? How much?
The vacuum is very low, 0.01 Pascal,
Okay.
which is very low. Regular vacuum pump is 0.1 Pascal. Still very good vacuum to make coffee very well, but some people nearly want to extract everything. Then,
Okay.
this is a totally different method of sealing. Manufacturer people want to use this one.
But I mean, why would you buy that if you can buy this?
That one in the coffee shop, ladies.
Oh, for women.
Light,
Okay.
lightweight,
Lighter weight.
lightweight, less material.
What I mean by that is that it seems like this would be the better value, the bigger one.
Because the economic situations,
Right.
if you increase the price high, it's not easy to sell it.
Right. Understood.
I can make a same, it's a big as like up to 60 gallon or maybe 100 gallon, but it's very heavy to buy, handle by. I mean, even this, it's not easy to handle myself.
Do you know how much it weighs?
Almost 250 pounds.
250 pounds. Oh yeah. Okay.
About all those thickness.
Yeah. Yes. Very big.
Very thick, very durable, and important thing is you can make a very high concentrated coffee. Especially people who want to make ice cream, they want a very concentrated coffee.
Oh, right, for ice cream makers. Okay. All right. Awesome.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
very much.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Always good seeing you. There's the new brews from Young. Looks interesting. Like, the interesting is that they've got these shop ones that are, not cheap, but they're, fairly priced. But then there's the bigger one, the industrial version, that's only like, what, $300 more? Makes me kind of wonder, like, why would you buy the smaller ones? And I get that, a little bit lighter weight, easier for in-shop use, but it seems like that comparatively that the industrial style is a great value. So something to consider. I'll try to put the links down below for you to see what it is, because at least last year, Young didn't really have an easy way to get in touch with him other than calling him on the phone. So you may have to call him on the phone if you're interested, but he's a really great guy that does a lot of nice products, interesting products. And, he's really easy to work with and very responsive. So something to consider. All right, let's move on. No strawberries?
No.
No more strawberries?
Yeah, but we're not here
Oh, okay.
because we have a lot of product.
Okay, so what do you have?
We just have here a little bit product.
Okay, show me
Yeah.
tell me what you got. What do we need to look at? What do we need to know?
Okay, maybe like this.